Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb, guys. Summer's here, and when summer gets here, I like to cook on the balcony so I don't heat up the apartment. Today we're making a very simple meal on the balcony, cabbage casserole with meatballs and little tortellinis. I think you're gonna like it. This knife is the nicest gift anybody's ever sent me. This is from Salty Shellback. He had Brad at BC Truck make that knife for me, and it's one of his little three-finger knives. And I really want to thank Oscar, Salty Shellback, for sending it to me. Really appreciate it a lot. We're using it today to start making our little cabbage casserole. Now this is going to use two different types of cabbage because I like the different colors in the casserole. This meal is going to be cooked in an omelet pan with a glass lid on very low heat on a hot plate on the balcony for 1 hour. We're going to be adding some cheese tortellini, about 5 or 6. They're going in the bottom of the pan, and all the liquid that's going to be added to the pan will be absorbed by the tortellini, so you're going to get a lot of really good flavors. And some meatballs, just maybe 4, because it's just for one person, and they're pretty handy. One hour later.